everybody, I'm Kimberly Edwards from cookingwithkimberly.com, and tonight I'm going to show you how to make rice in a rice cooker. I know this may sound very intuitive to a lot of people, but hey, a lot of people don't know how to cook and they're afraid to even try it, and they don't even know what a rice cooker is all about. So I'm going to tell you what, rice cookers are the bomb. They make your life so easy. All you have to do is follow the directions, and the amounts of your rice versus water amount for each different kind of rice is different, right? Tonight I'm using a Thai rice, and what I've done is I have two cups of Thai rice, and it requires 2 cups of water per cup, okay? So I need 4 cups of water, and I have 2 cups of rice. I usually buy my rice in great big bags, and I keep them in here, so, you know, just so you guys know what I'm doing. Okay, tonight we're having Hungarian goulash, so make sure you check out that recipe and that show. So next thing's next, I'm gonna open up my rice cooker. It has a reservoir inside here. It holds about 8 cups, so just guesstimate on your amount of rice per water, and you can make that much in here, okay? So into my rice cooker is going my rice, my Thai rice that's been completely rinsed out till there's no, the liquid coming out is clear, it's not cloudy anymore, okay? Now I usually like toasting my rice. Now you can toast it in a frying pan or in a pot on the stove with some oil or some butter before you do this cook it in the rice cooker, but it's unnecessary, you don't have to. Tonight I'm not going to do that. So I'm gonna put 4 cups of water in. This is just cold water. I'm gonna put a bit of butter in. And I'm going to put about a teaspoon of salt in. Now, at this point, if you wanted to put any other kind of seasonings like green onions or bulb onions or garlic or mushrooms or whatever, pepper, whatever have you, this is when you add it. So I'm going to add a couple chili flakes to this, just dried chili flakes. And I'm going to add a couple red Campot peppercorns, just because that's what I have on my counter ready to go. Maybe 3 of them. I'm also going to add a bay leaf because that's what my mommy does, so that's what I do, about a half of one. Now I'm just going to stir this up, close it up, I'm going to plug it in. And likely in about 30 minutes, I should have my rice cooked perfectly. This thing has a knack of knowing when it's done, when the liquid is all gone. And when you open this sucker up, you're gonna see that the rice is done. It's just gonna turn itself off. So check it out, it has 2 settings. One is cook and one is keep warm. And it will light up on each side. Most rice cookers that I've ever used or seen have this function. So check it out. Instead of the keep warm, which you could use to reheat stuff tomorrow, or just keep it warm until you're ready to eat, you put it on cook. So when it's done cooking, it flips to the keep warm and you know it's ready. And then it just sits there and stays warm until you're ready to serve. It's really, really simple. Anyhow, that's how you do it, and we'll be back when the rice is done. All right, everybody, it's been about 30 minutes, and my rice cooker says it's keeping warm. It's just keeping everything warm. It's all done, so let's see what we have going on. All right, my rice looks done. I'm gonna use just an oversized fork to fluff it a bit. Good stuff. And it looks perfect. There we go. I'm gonna serve it with Hungarian goulash tonight. Look at that, it's so pretty. Now, make sure if you see them, pick out the big peppercorns, or someone might crunch on that. All right. Let's see our goulash. It looks lovely, it smells so awesome. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh, perfect. So now, for all of those recipes that you ever needed rice for, you weren't sure about cooking rice or you find it to be a pain, and you can just come home and throw this in. It's probably your limiting factor. It takes about 30 minutes for, you know, harder grains like the Asian rices and things like that. But they're beautiful. I love them. They're so easy to use. You can use any kind of rice in them, as well as you can cook beans in them. Make sure you check out that video that I have on my shows, how to cook beans in a rice cooker, and you'll be pleased to see that you can do that as well. That's it, that's all. That's how to cook rice in a rice cooker. So if you've ever been scared of getting one, don't be scared. They're super simple, they're super easy. They're very intuitive, like simple controls and everything. You can't really mess up. It does all the work for you. All right, everybody? Follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim, E with a capital E. I hope you like the fan page. It's facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. My shows are on ifood.tv/cookingwithkimberly and youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly. And my site is cookingwithkimberly.com. That's it, that's all. Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye.